Hello, thanks for clicking. In this video, we'll delve into the magical world of languages. I'll be sharing secrets on learning phrases and words in English. So let's enjoy this journey together and discover how we can master language faster and easier. Let's get started. The first one is, how are you? How are you doing? Or how are you and how are you doing? And they are the same. كيف حالك? The answer is, I'm fine. I'm doing good. I'm fine. I'm doing good. أنا بخير. Next, I'm all right. I'm all right. أنا بخير. أو أنا على ما يرام. Next, so لا بأس. I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well. لا أشعر أني بخير. I'm not okay. I'm not okay. I'm not okay. لست بخير. Next, I'm sick. I'm sick. أنا مريض أو مريضة. We can also say, I'm ill. I'm ill. I'm ill is the same as I'm sick. أنا مريض أو مريضة. I have a headache. I have a headache. I have a headache. رأسي يؤلمني. أو لدي صداع في الرأس. Next, really? 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 حقا. Next, of course. Of course. بالطبع. بالتأكيد. Next, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. أنا لست متأكدا. Next, never mind. Never mind. لا تقلق. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. لا تقلق. so it's the same as never mind. Next, just a moment. Just a moment. لحظة واحدة. Next, let me think about it. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. دعني أفكر في الأمر أو أفكر في ذلك. I'm busy. I'm busy. أنا مشغول. أنا مشغولة. Next, let me check. Let me check. دعني أتحقق. Next one, more than that. More than that. أكثر من ذلك. Next one, I like strawberries. I like strawberries. I like strawberries. أنا أحب الفراولة. I don't like pineapples. I don't like pineapples. I don't like pineapples. لا أحب الأناناس. Excellent. Excellent. ممتاز. Next, good idea. Good idea. فكرة جيدة. Next, I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. لا أفهم. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. أنا لا أستطيع سماعك. Next, he is right. He is right. He is right. إنه على حق. Next, everything is ready. Everything is ready. كل شيء جاهز. Next, everyone knows. Everyone knows. الجميع يعرف أو الجميع يعلم. Next, from time to time. From time to time. من وقت لآخر. Can you translate this for me? Can you translate this for me? Can you translate this for me? أيمكنك ترجمة هذا لي؟ I lost my watch. I lost my watch. I lost my watch. فقدت ساعتي. nonsense, nonsense, nonsense. كلام فارغ. Next, I'm going to leave. I'm going to leave. I'm going to leave. إنني مغادر أو مغادرة. I need to go home. I need to go home. I need to go home. أحتاج أن أذهب إلى المنزل. Next time. Next time. Next time. في المرة القادمة. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. كن حذرا. And the last one is see you later. See you later. See you later. أراك لاحقا. That was everything for today. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this lesson, and see you soon. Don't forget please to click the subscribe button and thumbs up. Catch up.